welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing my updated blow dry routine because I'm about to straighten my hair, but that'll be in a separate video. The blow dries that I'm going to be using is this one. I'll put the name over here because I forgot what it's called, and my Revlon blow dryer. The reason why I'm using two today is because I want really smooth and sleek results. I really love this blow dryer because it's really fast. However, it doesn't really get my roots that much, so I'm going to be using this first, using the tension method. Then I'm going to go in with this, and hopefully that will give me the smoothest results. So yeah, I'm just going to be using these two. You guys have seen this one already on my channel. This is not a sponsored video or anything. I bought this all with my own money, but yeah, you guys are going to see how this is going to go. I've already shampooed my hair. I use these two shampoos. I use this one, it's the Shea Moisture Hydration Coconut one and the Intensive Hydration one. I use these two shampoos. This one to basically clean my scalp to a T, and this one to moisturize my hair. And then I used my Liago de Leche deep conditioner. So I use this because I always use this when I'm about to straighten or blow dry my hair or anything like that. So yeah, I've used it and I've actually finished it. I'm so happy that I finished it. And yeah, so to blow dry my hair, I'm going to be using my Afro-G Keratin Greeting Restructurizer because I just need a little bit of protein when I'm blow dry my hair. I always use this and I never get heat damage. And I'm going to be using my Keratin Smooth by Tresemme. I got a small bottle. I'm also going to be using this Kenra blow dry spray, and I saw this on Kelsey and Kendra's, the Glam Twins YouTube channel, and I decided to try this because it's supposed to like speed up your blow drying process. So I got this on Amazon. My Amazon link will be down below. And yeah, I've just been leaving my hair to air dry for a little bit. So I'm just gonna play some music and you guys are gonna see the transformation.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt. We can share each other's pain or joy. One might use such a power to destroy, rather than to build up or support.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, you know. Tempted to get heathen. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know.
So guys, I've just finished applying product all over my hair. First thing I applied was this, then I applied this, and then I applied this. So I usually just use the Afro-G and the Tresemme, but because I'm straightening my hair today, I decided to use the Kenra blow dry spray. So my technique is always to make sure I'm getting my roots as stretched as possible.
Lately I've been feeling something gotta change, you know. Tempted to get heathen. Someone to blame, but I don't gotta go that low. Keeping it in control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine, 'cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going up. I'll show you I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah, no manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, I ain't got the energy. Why you be control. Got me on my weakest, don't know. Coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. Cause nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken, I'm still going. Oh, didn't you know I'll be my own redemption? Yeah. No manipulation. Ooh, I ain't gonna buy it again. So over all the faking, no, no. I ain't got the energy. Why you be testing me? Ooh, now I'm out of patience. Ooh, coming back, I'm gonna take what's mine. There's nobody else gonna save my life. See it so clear with my own two eyes. My eyes. I'm not broken, I'm still going. Going up, 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 up. I'll show them I'm not broken.
Okay guys, so this is my results from my new blow dry routine. I hope you guys like this video, and also I will highly recommend this blow dry spray. It is a bit pricey, but it gives you results like as if you've been to the salon. So yeah, and it did speed up my blow dry time. So yeah. Oh, my hair has gotten so much longer, but I'm about to straighten it, but you guys have to wait for the next video for that. Make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe because I'm almost at 100k. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.